In this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of HCl molecule. Students, we know that first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. We know that hydrogen is present in group first or a group 1, so it provides 1 electron for bonding. And chlorine is present in group 17, so it provides 7 electrons for bonding. Total number of electrons is equal to 8. And students, we have to distribute all these 8 electrons between 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine atom. So, hydrogen, chlorine. Students, first of all, we have to fulfill a pair of electrons between hydrogen and chlorine to provide or to justify a single covalent bond. So, one hydrogen electron is provided by hydrogen and other electron is provided by chlorine. In this way, a single covalent bond is formed between hydrogen and chlorine. So students, 2 electrons used for bonding purpose, a single covalent bond is formed. In this way, hydrogen completes its duplet and hydrogen atom justify duplet rule like this. 6 electrons are present, 2, 4, 6, 8. Students, in this way, 3 pairs of electrons are present on chlorine atom. These pairs of electrons behave as a lone pair because a lone pair of electron is the pair of electron which is not involved in bonding, which does not use for bonding purpose. So chlorine atom contains 6 electrons or a 3 pairs of electrons as a non-bonding electrons or as a lone pair of electrons. In this way, chlorine completes its octet and hydrogen completes its duplet. Students, chlorine, hydrogen complete its duplet and chlorine complete its octet. Now students, we have to calculate formal charge. We know that formal charge is equal to number of valence electrons minus bonds minus dots. Students, we know that first of all, we have to calculate formal charge on hydrogen atom. For hydrogen atom provide 1 valence electron, it make 1 covalent bond at a time, and number of dots on hydrogen atom is equal to 0. So formal charge on hydrogen atom is equal to 0. Students, now we calculate formal charge on chlorine. Students, we know that from the diagram or from the Lewis dot structure, it is clear that chlorine provide 7 electrons. It contains 6 dots and make 1 covalent bond. Hence, formal charge on chlorine atom is also equal to 0. Formal charge on both of hydrogen and chlorine atoms is equal to 0. That's why HCl molecule considered as a neutral molecule. And student, this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for HCl molecule. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.